Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from panter.vis. Today I'm going to present you this online app, which is called the Java Sans from Beatriz Lozano. I think this is how it's pronounced. It's a Spanish name, so this is the person who invented. She's really creative with this stuff, and you can see like more crazy stuff from her. And I'm gonna show you how it's done, so let's jump in. This is the application. So basically here in this section you can rename it. So I'm gonna press the letter S, so it's gonna create the letter S. Also you got something here which is saying random. This is a button, you press it and it's just gonna change the theme, which is really cool because you don't need to do a lot of manual work. Kind of like this. I don't know, it hurts my eyes. This is perfect actually. Okay, you got the type size, you can make it bigger. This is really cool. I think you know, when you're working with a square, the form and shape, it's so cool. I didn't even test this out yet, and I was working only with circles, but anyways, I'm gonna show you the details. Letter spacing, so if we got like, I don't know, you got type size, you got letter spacing, what is that, line spacing. I don't even know what is the line spacing, but probably oh yeah, here you can change the colors. We got the background color, you just click on it, fill points. If you want to make, you know, the more copies, basically this is a blend, how you see in Adobe Illustrator. And I'm gonna increase the blend scale. You can make the letters really thick. I think they look really cool this way. Check that out. This is the S. You got the stroke weight. As you can see, like, it makes the stroke really thick. This is the maximum. You can also decrease it. It's pretty good. And you got the rotation speed. You can rotate it to the left, you can rotate it to the right, and if you're pulling it to the right, it's gonna rotate faster and faster. I think the speed is pretty good. So let's see what's up with the, you know, rest. Just a sec. I'm gonna need to scale this down a little more to look good. I need to experiment more with this. Look at this. This is insanely cool. So how you change stuff in here? We got hopefully I'm gonna find it. I mean, we got only a few options. So this is the brush shape. We got a square, we got a circle. As you can see now, it's a circle, it's boring, but the square is a genius one. And you got the image. So with the image, you basically can import all kind of image you want. You just need to choose image. Okay, so how you can incorporate really interesting images made by yourself in this. I'm gonna show you some examples and you can go freestyle from there. So I select the Polygon Tool. So basically you select it from here, if you don't have it here, and press and hold Shift plus Alt. It's gonna create an octagon for me, but if you press the down and up arrow, it's gonna increase the number of the sides. So right now I'm at 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna go with 8. I'm gonna leave it like that and go to the effects, distort and transform, pocket and bloat. So I did a tutorial on this last time, and you can do stuff like these. I'm gonna go with this option. 45% is pretty good. From here, let me see, I'm gonna uncheck, I'm gonna actually swap this to black. And I'm gonna deselect this white stroke, click on none, so I'm gonna remain with the stroke. And I'm gonna go to object, expand appearance, and now I'm remain with this flower thing, okay? From here, but I'm thinking to create a new copy. Gonna create a new copy, okay? I'm gonna cut this in pieces. So I'm gonna select the pen tool, which is located right here. I'm gonna go here where the edges are, and let me see if it's gonna find the center. So here's the center. Automatically it's gonna find the center. So I'm gonna click on the center, click here. Where's the anchor point? And I'm gonna go around. I'm just gonna eyeball it real quick. I don't even know if I'm doing it correctly, but should be something like this. I'm gonna select both, go to Pathfinder and go to this thing. intersect, and it's just gonna leave you with this. If you don't have the Pathfinder, you go to Windows and select the Pathfinder. Okay, so from here, let's go here. Where's the rotation tool? So it looks like this. Press and hold Alt and click on this anchor point, and I think it should be like -45. Click copy. Yeah, it's like -45, and then press Ctrl D until it's gonna go round and round. From here, you can recolor it as you want. So I'm gonna select these four, right click group. I don't know, I'm gonna choose some colors from here, some default colors. This one's interesting. I'm gonna select these also, right click group. Wow, check that out. It's a weird combination, but it's pretty cool. I'm gonna put this out. I'm gonna leave it this here and scale it up. Okay, and make sure to also click on these: horizontal align center, vertical align center. So now it's aligned perfectly. We need to export this. Go to File, Export, Export as. I'm gonna go to Desktop and choose, what is that, PNG, and rename it Flower. Click on Use Artboard, Range 1, Export. Of course, you can choose the PPI, 300 is good. Click OK. Go back to the software and let's change this. Of course, I'm gonna change the background first. I'm gonna go with something dark. Black is good. Let me go to Square, Image, and you choose File. I choose the file, and voila, we have this interesting effect going on. But wait a sec, I need to decrease something. Stroke. So yeah, so if you decrease the stroke, you're gonna put the square around it, like you're gonna make it like square. So you need to decrease the stroke. Come on, decrease the stroke. There you go. Now it's perfect. Type size, point scale. I'm gonna scale it up, and it's gonna look like this. So basically, you can experiment however you want. You also can experiment in Photoshop with all kind of backgrounds and textures. For example, this is a background. I'm gonna select here the ellipse mark tool, and let me find some nice place in here. Okay, let's say I kind of like this area, and I'm gonna press and hold Shift so you create a perfect circle. Put the circle wherever you want after you created it. I'm gonna put it somewhere around here. So we got also blue, and we got also orange and purple and all that stuff. From here, I'm gonna press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. As you can see here in the layers, we have the circle cut out. So I'm gonna press Ctrl A. So it selects everything, but actually it only selects this. Make sure you're on the layer, which is this rounded circle, which we copy pasted. So we're gonna copy paste again, Ctrl C, press Ctrl N, or you can go to File and create a new, and it automatically gonna copy paste, you know, the size of the circle. So this is the dimension of the size of the circle. Click on Create, Ctrl V, and here we have the circle. Now you're gonna save it. Actually, wait a sec, we need to deselect the background because this is a white, and we need to have a transparent background. Now I'm gonna press Control Shift plus S, select PNG, and save it. Let's go back to the application, choose File, let's select this one, and voila, now we have some texture going on. See that? If I decrease the point, you're gonna show less copies. Yeah, I got some beautiful colors. Now I can see it. Oh yeah. So yeah, this is kind of it. Go check out. I'm gonna link in the description this application, this app, or I don't know what is it called, but it's really cool. Go check it out. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates. Check out the other videos as well. Have a great day. Bye bye.